Hey guys, this is video number 3 in our LAMP and LEMP stack on FreeNAS Corral multi-part series. This video is going to be specifically on standing up Nginx with PHP and tying into MariaDB or the local MySQL that comes with that container. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down and click on Docker. Go to Containers, click the plus sign, click on the FreeNAS collection, and we're going to scroll down until we find LEMP. We're going to choose our Docker host. We're going to name our container. Make sure expose ports is checked. Click Browse next to our var www HTML volume. Choose the folder on our host we want to store that in, and I still have that PHP test script from the last tutorial in there. I'm going to hit select. We're going to go down to networking and go to bridge mode. Generate a MAC address and choose an IP address within our subnet that is not taken and not in our DHCP range. And I think AutoStart is already checked. We're going to go ahead and hit save. And running, we're going to go ahead and click on it. And there is no, there's a console button, but there's no web UI button there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open a new tab. I'll link to the PHP script in the description again. But as you can see, it's connected to its own local database there. I'm SSH into that machine, so I'm also going to, in that folder by ls, I made a copy of that. Well, I'll just go ahead and edit it. So we can also point that at our MariaDB instance and test that out. The pass on that was test pass 1. Our user was root. That's the IP address that was at. If we go up here and hit refresh, we're also able to successfully connect to that database. So with that other database, we did all the port forwards and stuff, or not the port forwards, but the volume mounts for mounting var lib MySQL on the host, etc. So you could either use that external DB, or if you wanted to use this built-in one, you could just forward those same ports that we did on Maria for MySQL on this one. And we did have the issue with that one where there's the bug in Docker where sometimes the volume gets created instead of your host mount. You could also, if you killed this container, you could copy this from this container and mount that database. As long as it's on the same Docker host, you can mount that to var lib MySQL as well, so that you could have, I mean, if you already had stuff in your database that you wanted to use, and say you were switching from the Apache tutorial because you used Apache previously on your website and you wanted to switch to Nginx, you could do that and keep that database. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So our MySQL connection is up and running and our PHP is working and tested. So that pretty much completes our tutorial on standing up a LEMP stack on FreeNAS Corral. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.